A problem that you now laugh about?
Oh God, too many.
You are going to open Pandora's box.
Yeah. There are many. I mean, I remember it's not my joke, but in school we all used to have this problem because I had a very close friend of mine, and his parents had separated when he was young. So I remember another friend of mine who's just turned 28. वो मतलब बोल रहा था कि मेरे पिताजी तो मतलब never asks me what I want to do with my life. He only wants me to work in his company and मैं तो बर्बाद हो गया हूँ. So this guy was quiet throughout. He said मेरा बाप नहीं है. So I found that very funny because he'd been crying about it for 10 years before that कि यार मुझे मतलब ये हो. तो अलग-अलग लोगों की ज़िंदगी में अलग-अलग jokes हैं. And I think it's great to laugh at your own mess ups.
ये आपके किरदार के बारे में.
I think what's incredible about Naina is that it's very difficult to separate the Diya in Naina and the Naina in Diya. I think Naina has a lot of key in her. I think the one fundamental thing that I'm not like her on is I'm the kind of person अगर मेरे ज़हन में कोई बात आ जाती है या कोई ख्याल आ जाता है या कोई फीलिंग इमर्ज होती है तो मैं उसे कन्फ्रंट करती हूँ और I voice it and I share it. I get it out very quickly. I'm a sharer. I think what's different with Naina is that she's the kind of person who, because temperamentally उनकी आदत इतनी है कि वो दूसरों को अपने आगे हमेशा रखती है. She cares more for relationships I think than she does for herself. That she doesn't find it in her to voice her innermost desires and feelings. So she kind of suppresses them and doesn't allow them to kind of emerge.
ये आपने कहा कि कोई बात जब आपको आती है तो आप एक्सप्रेस करके बताइए. भी हाल ही में आपने मीडिया में भी यूज़ किया बहुत जल्द शादी करने वाली है तो कितनी ये बात कितनी सही है क्या वाकई सच्चाई है?
देखिए मैं एक्चुअली हक गई हूँ अभी 4 बार से ये क्लैरिफाई करते लेकिन बहुत सिंपल सी बात थी. मुझे पूछा गया आई यू इन अ रिलेशनशिप. मैंने कहा हाँ. मुझे फिर पूछा गया आई यू कमिटेड इन दिस रिलेशनशिप. आई सेड भैया मैं आई डोंट गेट इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप अनलेस आई एम कमिटेड टू इट. आई वांट ऑब्वियसली यू वांट इट टू गो द डिस्टेंस एंड यू आर कमिटेड इन इट. Then I was asked whether I would want to marry my partner, and I said, of course I'd like to marry him someday, which has now become a story about how I am getting married. Of course I'm going to get married, but not in the near future. There has been no conscious conversation had. In fact, I think this whole thing has made Sahil a little awkward. He's like, shit, I was going to propose to her now. How the hell am I going to do it? And when am I going to do it? I think it's very sweet that the media has played my grandma for the last 10 years. They've always kind of asked me, "Beta, shaadi kab karoge?" But I think the nice thing now is that Sahil has a lovely grandmother who's sitting in Delhi, waiting to take this decision for us, and I think it's best left to her.
तो दिया को लगता है अब कर लेना चाहिए शादी या और थोड़ा समय है?
अब या कल की बात नहीं है. I think शादी एक बहुत अहम डिसीजन होता है ज़िंदगी का. And the truth is that I'm in a very comfortable place right now. I'm really enjoying the time that I'm sharing with Sahil. And of course, there is a lot of sincerity in what we share. And one day we will get married. We haven't really had a conversation about when.
Diya, sorry to digress, but just needed your reaction on what do you think of the ban on Nikita, the Kannada actress. It has recently been lifted, but what do you think of it? The industry being sexist at that point?
You know, it's very. There are many things about bans in our country that I find very difficult to accept and understand. But I really think that it's all about the state machinery. It's about these individual bodies that take these decisions, and somehow everybody else is forced to, comply with them. I've never understood how films get banned. They've gone through a census. So I think there is a certain warp in the system. But I also believe that the system finds a way to rectify itself. So I'm sure this will find its.
Do you think Bollywood